Welcome to the video on getting started with Social Pomodoro. Social Pomodoro is a website that allows you to work alongside a buddy for a 25-minute focused work session. After each session, you have the opportunity to take a 5-minute break and get away from your screens. This website is based on the science of the Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management system that encourages productivity by breaking time into 25-minute chunks separated by 5-minute break intervals. Additionally, this website is easy to use and requires no initial sign-up or additional costs. To get started, open your web browser and visit www.socialpomodoro.com. Once you reach the following web page, select the Start Now button. You will then be given the option to work alongside the computer, another individual, or someone you know. It is recommended that first-time users try a session with the computer to familiarize themselves with the service. Once you are ready to work with another individual, select the New Buddy option. If you would prefer to work alongside a computer instead, select the Computer Buddy option. This option is also accessible through the single player button at the bottom of the screen. Once you have selected one of the options, you will be directed to a page that looks like this. Spend 2 minutes introducing yourself and discussing what you want to accomplish with your work buddy. Use the chat box for this discussion. Then you will proceed to work for 25 minutes. When the 25 minutes is done, spend 2 minutes reviewing how the session went with your buddy. You are then free to take a complete break. According to the Pomodoro Technique, this break should last 5 minutes. After 4 or 5 cycles, you may proceed with a longer 25 to 30-minute break. When working with a computer or another individual, the work session will usually look like this. If you are planning to work with a friend, select the Known Buddy option. To be put in the same work session, both of you will have to enter the same number in the given box on the screen. Once you select Go, your session will proceed as outlined before. To review some tips on establishing specific goals, visit the page with the different work session options and scroll down to see tips. Lastly, during each session, remember to be friendly, respectful, and to keep distractions to a minimum by preventing idle chats and irrelevant discussions. Additionally, try to stay focused and on task as much as possible to get the most out of your work session. Thank you for watching this video on Social Pomodoro. To get started, visit the link listed in the description.